Today I'm talking about the Zone X 1208. This is our new hybrid architecture, DSP Matrix, and this is the last piece on our whole puzzle just to offer full solutions. Well, the good thing about that is that normally we find in the market this closed architecture or open architecture. And in open architecture, people can just drag and drop every module, cable, but then this for support sometimes is more difficult, and sometimes even in some software you can find some bugs that are difficult to find out. So with this hybrid architecture, the good thing is that we build everything, hearing the feedback from the customers, and we test it in-house. So we build all those DSP templates for the customers, we test them, and then they can be sure that they just load the template and they work. So we did this platform together with Silica. We made a partnership and we announced it last year. And the good thing is that we base this product on their DSP platform in order to get full integration with Silica Designer software. The advantage of that is that Silica Designer software is in the market for many years. People know this software, so instead of making a new software out of the blue, we prefer to adapt to a good software that has open architecture there. We can adapt to third-party devices, so it's very powerful. For all the remote controls options, now by default what we have available is this software application on PC, iOS and Android also for mobile. This is okay, and this is included within this Silica Designer architecture. And currently this year we are also working on all the remote panels for our own CAN bus, our remote bus, and this will include wall mount panels for remote control, volume, source selection, and also paging microphones. And this will, once we finish this development, we will offer this full ecosystem of products. It's a lot of work, and we will expect to have all these remote options by the end of the year. And now we are having very good feedback about the software, all these templates. So yeah, we are very positive about it.